Hey everyone, Mr. Slowtown himself here. Oh man, we got this in the background so you know where I'm at. We got some parts that came in, so stay tuned and hopefully enjoy it.
I've been thinking, lately it's just me against the world. Round and round I'm caught up in this swirl, trying to dig and trying to burrow. Pressure turned this stone into a pearl. Lessons that I learned weren't always thorough, sugar-coated like a churl. Now I'm really out here on my own. Now my homies acting like I owe 'em, done extending out my arm. Made a lot of money from my poems. Been around it, now they say I'm on. I can finally say I'm up now, I'm up now. 20,000 on a bus down, a bus down. I'm on my way, I'm going up now, and I ain't never gonna touch down, touchdown.
The intro, you know where I'm at. But anyway, got some stuff that came in today. So, I mean, it's just like Christmas, man. You just gotta dig right in and get to it. Alright. Well, we got stickers. We got more stickers for the sticker door. And, man, I don't know what this is for. I don't know, man. Yeah, not sure. Oh, I know what this is for. It's that, the ejecto seat button. Yeah, off of Too Fast, Too Furious. Sit there when it gets a little crowded in your vehicle and you're sitting there. Oh yeah, that's what this is for. Okay, now I get it. Alright, but anyways, I'm gonna wire that up today just in case if the truck, gets a little too crowded. But, so stay tuned, everything else. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'll get that started. I mean, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. But anyway, let's get busy on that and hope you enjoy it. Alright, the hole here where my old button was at, this one, here's the old cord, everything else. When you have them done like this and you turn the wheel, it'll pull them out. So the new one, it's all one piece, everything else. But regardless, I have to, this hole's a little bit smaller than the button is, so I gotta file it out. And then, yeah, I'm doing it the old way. I don't have a drill bit big enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and file it. And this is just a chainsaw file, so yeah, we're gonna get at it, and yeah.
Alright, here, kind of fast forward it a little bit, so it doesn't make that long, but running the cord through, got the hole all nice and big for the button, and yeah, Alright, I know it's a little wire mess, but after I'm all done with all this, it'll be all hidden where you can't see it, but I'm making the very end right here. It's a quick disconnect, getting ready to wire the ends on it, crimp them and everything else, which, yep, you can see right here, cutting the wire back. Then, yep, gonna put the ends on it, and then, well, gotta spin the wire first. Then, after that, the end goes, and then I'll crimp them on.
Alright, there you go. Filled it up some. Everything else. I have one. It's for the truck though. One of these days, be happy to, yeah, 660 Street, baby. But hopefully one of these days, get this bad decal on the truck where it's gonna go. Still waiting on parts, but got a nice location for this one. And yeah, so, but you always sit there and see me wear like their merchandise and everything else. There's a reason why I wear their merchandise, so I support all that stuff. And yeah, so honestly, if you have a decal, shop name, whatever, because like right here, here's my shop name, Ego Killer Performance. So if you have a shop name, decal, or whatever, and or a decal for your trucks, the name of it, whatever, like, well, my truck, it's Slow 10. So, but anyway, even your business decal, if you want to send one, everything else, comment, and I will drop you the mailing address and everything else, and just send me one. I'd be happy and honored to put it on the door. But anyway, I'm going to jump off here, and I'm going to call it. Thanks for watching, everything else. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so when I do upload a new video, you get notified. Like and share. Really do appreciate it, everyone. I do have Facebook, Facebook account, Slow 10 Garage. So I'm not going to bleep that out. It's unedited version. So anyway, you guys have a great night. I'm out. Thanks for watching.